is a vibrant coastal city in Latvia that combines a rich history with modern charm. Known for its beautiful blue flag beaches along the Baltic Sea, it's the perfect destination for both relaxation and adventure. Explore the unique Karasta district, a former military base, where you can visit the northern forts for a fascinating look into the city's past. Liepaja's vibrant art scene shines at the Great Amber Concert Hall, an architectural gem hosting world-class performances. Whether you're wandering its lively streets or enjoying its serene coastline,